is my partner here, Joe. Nice to meet you, Joe.
Nice to meet you. We are building drilling machines.
Yes.
I think many people know that. We are building laser drilling machines.
Yes.
We are building DI machines. And here is just a lineup of what we are doing with these machines. So the DI world where we do direct imaging.
Yes.
So those process represents a number of machines.
Yes.
Which we don't show here.
Yes.
Because we cannot show so many machines.
Yeah.
It's
Yes.
a trend right now because the factory is getting bigger.
Yes.
And not enough people. So
Yes.
we are going more and more into automation system where
Automation
we
system.
make industrial solution, integrated systems with shuttle movement, so to reduce the number of people.
So can you talk about the automotive factory service and include the after sales service, etc.? And how about after sales service for your clients?
After sales service is an essential part of our business, of course, and we are selling the spare parts. We do service for the customers. We make sure the machine's running for 20 years. So usually a small machine can be running for about 20 years.
Yeah, of course. And they say that the automation factory 4.0 is the future, and it's the trend is on the way.
Yes.
Right. So, and this is the exactly directly to equalize the sustainability, so the sustainable factory, right?
Yes. So this is an important part of this automatic line is the Industry 4.0 because we will download the process data and production data from the server, from the customer. We will put it in the machine. The shuttle system know exactly which machine you have to deliver the product.
Yes.
Then via the server, the customer know exactly where is his product at the current time. And then when the product is finished, it goes back into the next process step, and we deliver all related informations to the server. So it is a 100% integrated system with our customers' IT structure.